channel. This is Sneha, and in today's video I am gonna make a tutorial video of Annabelle doll, that is creepiest doll. So I am not too scared with that doll because I love to see more and more movies of horror. So I love movies like Hollywood, not too in Bollywood. I'm a brave girl. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. I separate my hair. To separate my hair, I am using hairband. I am using this cute pom-pom hairband. So second I will use primer of Lakme. So I apply a little bit quantity of this on my face. I blend it all over my face. Done. So now I am using foundation. I am using Swiss Beauty foundation. This foundation shade is properly matched with my skin shade. I am using much of this quantity. I am applying this as a कंसीलर बिकॉज ये बहुत ज्यादा हाई कवरेज वाला फाउंडेशन है. That's too much. Now I am blending this. I applied my foundation. Now I need to hide my eyebrows, so I applied this glue stick in my eyebrows. I apply a little bit off because I don't need it, it's too much. That's much. So now I am using whitener powder to fix my eyebrows glue. I am taking a little amount of this and I apply it like a dab motion. My both eyebrows is done. I am using once more time foundation in my brows. So I need too much amount of foundation in my brows to hide my brows. That's enough. Now I am making dark area with the help of kajal. That's Annabelle have. I filled all the gaps between it, and now the time for blending. Using my finger to blend it. I need one more layer of kajal because its pigment is so little. Now the time for make my fake eyebrows. So yeah, I am using eyeliner to make my fake eyebrows. Make my fake eyebrows. Just develop my real eyebrow. My both eyebrows is done. So now the time for lipstick. So I applied this lipstick, and this is cardinal red type of color, and its packaging is very stunning. And you see that's red type of color. This is in category of red. I apply this lipstick on my lip and also in this area because यहाँ पे gap है. So now the time for blush, and I love blush. So I am using lipstick for blush because यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा लगाना पड़ेगा. So yeah, I am using this bloody red color. So I apply too much of this red color. So yeah, my blusher is complete. So now time of highlighting my nose. I only highlight my nose, not in cheekbone or eyes bone. Now the time for eyelashes, and I am very excited for this. This eyelashes from Hisa Beauty, and I never tried any eyelashes in my eyes. So this is my first time using glue for it, and this type of blending this. You see that it gave a curl for it, and it is easier to apply it. And now मैं apply करूँगी इसमें glue. So now I am gonna stick in my eyes. My eyelashes is completed. So now the time for making my hairstyle. So I am making my bangs. So I have no bangs, so I make the fake bangs. My makeup look is done. आप लोगों को ये मेकअप लुक कैसा लगा मुझे कमेंट में जरूर बताइएगा, और डरिए मत, मैं पहले ही वाली स्नेहा हूँ। अगर इसी तरह की और ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो देखनी है तो मुझे आप कमेंट में जरूर बताइए कि आपको किसकी ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो देखनी है। एंड लाइक, कमेंट एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड बेल आइकन प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा। बाय बाय, लव यू।